Waterfalls are like nature's magic, where water turns into art. Today, we have a super fun and colorful drawing tutorial for you. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in portrait mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use all pastels colors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing and coloring tutorial is meant to develop your design skills, get a command on lines and to learn to create a form. This will help you understand coloring. This exercise will also boost your imaginative and creative approach. Let's start. We will start by drawing the landscape. Let's draw rocky mountains, grass bushes, trees and the waterfall. Now let's start the fun. Grab your colors and refer to the color reference as shown. We will add shadows and highlights later, so just focus on the base color for now. We are going to use different shades of blue to create a beautiful flowing water effect. Now let's add green to our landscape. Color the trees and the bushes around the waterfall using different shades of green. Next, color the rocks around the waterfall. We are going to use brown shades for the rocks. This is the most exciting part. To make our drawing look 3D, let's add shadows and highlights. Use a slightly darker shade for the areas you want to appear shadowed as shown. We are going to use white to mark the highlights. Using shadows and highlights will make our rocks and trees look a bit more realistic and stand out. Lastly, let's add some final details. You can add some birds in the sky, maybe a few fish in the water, or anything else your imagination desires. This is your artwork, so make it uniquely yours. And there you have it, a colorful waterfall landscape with shadows and highlights. I hope you had a blast coloring along with me. Remember, the most important is to have fun and be creative. Look at this as a coloring-focused tutorial. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skills Society YouTube channel.